Hi Graham, I finished my test. I divided my canvas into four blocks the same size. The first square is watercolor and ink pen, just a black marker, and I really enjoyed the watercolor. I will definitely explore that further. I like the way that the color sits, the watercolor sits on the canvas, and I get nice nuances of color, so I really enjoyed that. The second one is just charcoal. That also worked very well. You can blend. The only problem with that was I couldn't really erase, so that was a problem, but also very nice. I would like to try more of that. The third one on the left bottom is actually a surprise to me. I got some, look at that, some lovely ink markers, and I tried that, and that was such fun. So it also spreads a bit, and it's quite a lot like ink, acrylic inks, but it worked very well. I must say there's not one that's not a favorite. The last one is my oils. That was also very nice, just putting the oils on the canvas. I didn't go very thick. I think you can if you want, but you can go both ways, thick or thin. So there's the charcoal, there's my oil colors, there's my ink markers. That was fun. And then I think my favorite's the watercolor. I do enjoy the watercolor very much. So thank you so much. This was a great test, and I had lots of fun. Thanks.